A custom modern chalet set on over 24 pristine acres in Starksboro, Vermont. Two deeded lots, sweeping mountain views, and complete privacy create the foundation for this one-of-a-kind property. Inside, an open-concept design blends natural light and warm finishes. The living room flows effortlessly into the kitchen and dining area, crafted for both everyday living and entertaining. Step outside to a 10 by 36 covered porch with timber frame details. The kitchen is anchored by a quartz waterfall island, custom maple bar, and high-end appliances, an ideal gathering spot with views across the property. Guest rooms and a full bath provide comfort and flexibility. The first-floor primary suite offers convenience for aging in place, with a private bath and calming views of the landscape. Upstairs, an open loft adds flexible space for work, hobbies, or guests. The finished lower level expands the living area with room for recreation and relaxation. Walk directly out to the grounds from this level. A kitchenette and full bath make the lower level ideal for extended stays or private guest quarters. An accessory dwelling adds more possibilities, whether for family, visitors, or income potential. The home and detached garage are surrounded by gardens, fruit trees, and hundreds of sugar maples ready for tapping. On the adjoining lot, a stunning 18 by 48 Douglas fir barn with a full loft offers soaring mountain views and future opportunity. With permits in place for a 4-bedroom home, expansion or subdivision becomes an option. Restored wetlands attract wildlife, while private trails invite exploration. All of this, just 12 minutes to Bristol Village and 20 minutes to the Mad River Valley. A peaceful Vermont retreat blending modern comfort with the best of nature. Your mountain escape in Starksboro.